but I just am so solution focused and glass half full that I'm looking at not just the benefits for me and my family, but for my clients and for even society, how we've reconnected with our core values like family and just trying to be healthy and take care of one another. I think
working from home when you've never had to do it before. How are you not going to do that laundry? How are you going to be motivated to get things done? I could never do that. People were saying that to me all the time.
right.
I think, they're doing it. They're having to do it now.
Challenged, and this is based on a recent article from Harvard Business Review, is the feeling of isolation. So 40% of people in in the US, are feeling psychologically and physically isolated, which
maybe is much more manageable, and you're not going to have to be preoccupied with it. It's going to be great. That's the way I saw it.
Yeah, at first.
And I saw it as being an opportunity for people to kind of slow down, and you get out of bed, you're at work already. How great is that?
And when you ask them how they are, wait for the answer and maybe ask the question twice, because if you say, how are you? And they say, fine, and you, that means they didn't really answer the question. It means that they're just being polite, and that's automatic. So instead of just asking, how are you? Because some people are telling me, yeah, we have meetings all the time and we ask how we're doing, but a lot of people won't say, I'm lonely, I'm feeling isolated. They'll say, fine.
That's right.
That's something that we're calling the blur, where already work life was in our personal life, and personal life was in because of our smartphones, but now the blur is even more of a gray zone. But what's amazing is that this new tomorrow, new better world is that we're all more tolerant when a dog runs by or when a kid is pulling at someone's shirt. We're worth it to reevaluate and maybe spoil ourselves a little in terms of, what do I want to be surrounded by? Where do I want to be standing or sitting? Who do I want in my life? I think it's a good annual behavior